Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can mirror your video or your photos in CapCut PC. So just going to select your photos, for instance. Okay, select this one and just drag here and make it short. Just copy paste, select the second one, and you can click this mirror icon and select the clip, just copy paste like so, and you can also add the transition effect. Let's do this um for down, so put to all the clip. So you can also add the effect, just RT effect, and or I think this basic effect, and add a camera shake. So you can see the result. So okay, that's how to mirror on CapCut PC. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.